In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn password. If you want to update your password for security reasons or simply because it's been a while since you last changed it, LinkedIn makes the process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow. To begin, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Me. This is where you'll find your account and profile options. After that, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main area where LinkedIn keeps all of your account preferences, privacy controls, and login-related settings. If you've never visited this section before, don't worry, the option you need is easy to find. Next, go to Sign In and Security. This section is specifically for anything related to accessing your account, including password changes and other security options. It's a good place to review from time to time, especially if you want to keep your account protected. Once you're there, click Change Password. LinkedIn will then ask you to confirm your current password before allowing you to create a new one. This helps make sure that only you can make changes to your login information. Now enter your old password in the first field, and then type your new password in the next field. You'll usually need to enter the new password a second time as confirmation, so make sure both entries match exactly. When creating a new password, it's a good idea to choose something strong and unique that you don't use on other websites. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols can help make it more secure. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Save. LinkedIn will then update your password, and that's it. Your new password is now active. After saving, it's a smart idea to make sure you remember the new password and update it in your password manager if you use one. That way, the next time you sign in, everything goes smoothly. And there you go. That's all it takes to change your LinkedIn password.